good afternoon. Taking over Japan Lux today, and I have a Jody and some very beautiful bags over here. Hi, good afternoon, guys. Wala na, ako na to. Ako na magbebenta sa inyo. Huwag na kayong magulat, ako na to. Let's do this. Hi. Paano ito pronounce ate?
Just
Zayonet?
Yeah. Just with it na lang. Yeah.
Oh, kung ano lang yung pinakamadaling basahin.
La! Ang hirap
Play.
naman, ano?
Play.
Ayan, Angeli Bianca joined. Hi, guys! Hello!
She is the new owner of a JLD.
Wala na. Pinilitan na namin ang...
Mami Cara joined. Okay, hello guys. Thank you for joining. Oy, sent a request to be in your live video. Do you accept? Okay.
Namiliit yung screen.
Rap Miley joined. Hi! Hi guys! Jessa Ruth. Jessa Ruth. And Guasayao joined. Baka ito yung mga regulars mo.
Yeah, some of them. Yeah. I see Iza is here. Iza.
Iza? Hi! Hi, Iza!
Fashion stylist ni Hor.
Hi, Iza! I'm here!
Hi, Iza! Miss Beb, hello!
Hindi sila nagko-comment. Or nagjo-join lang.
Yeah,
sila.
later.
I'm not techie talaga. Yeah. Angeline Bart 34. Hi!
Actually, konti lang yung viewers
Hi,
namin.
hi, guys.
Hi, guys! Actually, Sophia is the new owner of Japan Lux Direct. Mag-a-assist lang po ako.
Ako na talaga. Ako nagpo-pricing nito.
Yeah. Baka malugi tayo, girl. Ayan, hi, Jem! Ayan, welcome to our live, surprise live with Miss Sophia Andres. Ayan.
Thank you guys for having me. And today we're gonna sell some bags.
Yes, and hopefully, madaming mabudol today.
I'm sure madami. It's Sunday.
Ayan, it's Sunday. Madaming
Yeah.
online. This is unannounced, no? So, madaming for sure, na surprise with your presence.
Hi guys.
Guys, pwedeng mag-request po, ayan. Madami tayong items here. We have Kelly, Birkins, mga Bottega, Chanel, of course. Louis Vuitton bags, what else? Mga shoes. There.
You guys have a lot of selections.
Yes.
May wallet. Meron pa, what's this?
Parang notebook holder.
Notebook holder, they have
From Goyard. That's Goyard.
Goya.
I think madami tayong mga new viewers here.
Marami.
New client.
Christine Lapos. Hi guys. Jason Kanda. Alain, Bridget. Hello. Hello guys.
It's mga beshi.
So, request na guys. Beshies. We call them besties pala.
Hi
Besties and beshies.
Beshies. Hello. Hello. Ano na? Okay. Tayo na.
Kahit magpaano lang kayo. Magpakita lang kayo. Kahit quick ka na lang.
Yeah.
Oo, then.
Okay.
Is this here?
Yeah. Ito guys, so this one is brand new. Ayan. Personal choice of Miss Sophia, di ba?
This is my favorite. Bottega.
Let's
Light. Easier to carry for moms that wants to like put everything, wipes, alcohol, lahat na.
yeah. Lahat mga essentials.
Yeah.
Kasha naman, no?
Kasha siya.
Kasha, ayan. And very, siya, ito yung mga bag na malakas maka-quiet luxury. Diba?
Yes.
This one. So, this one is brand new.
Very elegant.
Very elegant, yeah. And the color, super nice, no? Very, madaling i-match with your outfits.
The more you use it, the more siya mas magiging maganda.
Habang nadidistress, habang na yung bag mo.
Yeah.
Pag mukha siyang old, better for me.
Ayun ka nga sa
Right.
Yung gamitan ng ganito. Like this one. For sure, pag na-old na to.
Ito, this is a limited, babe, no? Tama? Color?
limited.
Limited.
This one?
Limited
Yeah,
color.
limited
What color?
colors.
Parang Ilang...
Ang ganda nga niya,
nakalimutan ko.
nakaganito.
Parang per store, parang dalawa lang yata.
Yeah, per
tig-
store,
isang size, isang size, isang color, isang ano lang. Isang
Isang color
Per
Oh.
store.
Ang ganda. oh.
This is the thin size, no? That's brand new then.
This is small or
No,
medium?
Thin size. Thin size is parang next to...
next to small. Ay,
Yung
parang
parang pinakamaliit. I forgot the size.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
mini
Mini.
rodeo.
Mini, yeah. So this one is the next size after mini. Hi, Mix! Bestie! Ayan,
Yung
surprise.
si pare.
Hi!
Yeah. Ano, super VVVIP.
VVVIP.
Vivi.
Hindi na namin makount.
VVVIP.
Ayan. Say hi to Miss Sofia Andres.
Hello.
Ayan. Hi, Mel.
Hello.
Migs!
Model
Migs.
din ta sa
Migs, baka ano naman, pasample ng
Oo.
wine.
May ano yan?
Pare.
May,
Pare.
You can show some more. What can you show pa?
Ayan, ano po ba?
What do they want?
Hindi, mag-ano yan.
Si Miggy, ihanap natin.
Actually,
Ah,
pag
this one.
nagla-live kami, mas marami kaming kwentuhan with the ano. Kaysa sa...
Hindi na kami nag-work. Hindi na nag-
Oo.
This
That's
one.
Chanel.
This is Chanel, yes.
Oh, nice. Hey, where's the ano?
Eto.
It's here. Okay, nandito.
Yeah. Ito, first bag. Okay. Ito na ano, babe. Kasi ano, feeling ko mababetan ni ano to. Ni Miggy. Char. So, Migs, ikaw ang inaasahan ng ano. Char. Inaasahan
Pare,
ng
alam mo na
dito.
yan. Ay,
Ayan. So, we have this Chanel. What do you call this babe?
Boston.
Boston bag. Yeah, Boston bag.
What's
in
it called?
size...
Boston bag.
Ni-
Bakit niya siya Boston bag?
Boston bag? Why? Babe, why Boston bag? Kaya naghang
First
na
time
ako.
ako natanong ng ganyan. Nabigla.
Nabigla ako dyan. Anyway, ayan. So,
Very
this,
parang sporty.
yeah, sporty, pang travel. Parang overnight bag. They call it Boston bag.
Nice.
I think because, parang siyang pang overnight bag. Yeah.
Very nice.
Ayan. So, here, this is size 35, no?
35.
30,
How much is this?
30, size 35. The price is,
We don't say.
after. After. I think 129.
Ah, wow. Okay.
Yeah. This
Super
one is
affordable.
hard to find siya, hard to find. And this is actually vintage na ba?
Would you know the year? May year din ba to?
Yeah, meron din. Dun sa serial number niya.
Ah.
Yeah, dun makikita like this, no? May card siya. This one is series 1.
Okay.
So, yeah, series 1 is babe, can you check anong year to?
Nakalimutan ko.
Next na yung yung ano necklace nila ang gusto mo.
Oh, baby.
Next na daw yung necklace ni Miss Sofia.
Oh, cute tong color.
Not for
Very
sale.
Pang summer, guys. Very pang summer. Look at that. Ang ganda ng
Yeah.
color.
Nice
Andiyan ba si
color,
pare?
no? Yeah. That's ano mini size.
This is
Mini
mini size.
mini square.
Hi! Next na yung necklace ni Sophia. Hindi po ito binibenta. Aray ko. Okay.
Di pa ni Hard.
Yeah, this is easier to match. Like, pag ganitong color, parang it's easier to match with anything. Like, you're wearing white, bagay sa outfit mo also. Wearing white or black, okay siya.
Baby.
This is actually hard to find na. Especially yung
Because of the size?
yeah, size. Mini
Size.
rectangular is
Hindi
parang-
mini square, babe.
mini square, sorry. And yung ito,
Chevron.
yung parang pa-V-stitch siya.
Ah, this one.
Yeah,
Kasi
oh.
mostly, yung
mat-
you're right.
yeah.
Yung mattress.
Anong
Matras.
year itong ganito?
Ito.
Check
Actually,
mo nga,
hindi naman siya.
Ito yung
old.
mga bago. I mean, like, yung mga una.
Hindi, meron din labas na ganyan na vintage. Pero iilan, madalang talaga.
Ito kasi, series 27, so not so old naman. Medyo bagets pa to. Like, mga 5 years old
5
pa
years
lang.
old.
Yeah.
Okay, medyo
Yeah.
bagets pa siya, so
Yeah.
why not, guys? Hello.
Bagay sa bagets. Like you. Ayan. So, this one is a Chanel mini rectangular.
Mini square, babe.
Sorry,
Square.
mini square. Nalilito ako. Ayan. Mini
Mini
square,
square.
chevron. In gold hardware. Unused condition. Yeah, it's unused condition.
Why do you buy it?
Madami dito. Sa Japan mga ganyan. Parang they...
Explain ko later.
Ha?
I-explain ko later.
Ginagamit, bibili nila and then they don't really use it. Ganyan.
Sana all.
Ayan. So, yun ang... parang yan ang bet mo. Personal choice mo.
A nice na color lang. It's poppy.
The color,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's when we show. It's poppy color.
Yeah.
Hi, Angels113. Hi, guys. Hello, how much po yung Chanel?
Wallet
Which one?
of
This one?
Chanel.
Or
Walk.
the one I
Ah,
had?
I see.
Which one?
The beige one?
Excuse
I
me,
think the beige
guys.
one, yeah.
Hello, mga beshi.
Ayan, super
Dito ba si pare?
bestseller.
Pare! Pare, alam, maano ba tayo dyan? How much for the wallet and chain?
Ayan, this one, we have this Chanel wallet and chain. This is brand new, guys. Brand new in gold hardware. Complete inclusions, microchip. Look, oh, meron siyang how many card slots? 6 card slots. Ang ganda ng color because ano siya, caramel, no? Caramel beige.
Sabi,
Dark.
pabenta kaya later ng Goyer.
No?
Kasi hindi yung Goyer natin, ewan ko, parang
Oh, let's show
hindi ko
it.
siya maipa...
Okay.
This one, oh.
Ayan.
Ayan. Sila dito.
And brand new, ha? Brand new. If there's a small black boy bag, Chevron Caviar. Today, wala tayo, ma'am. What
What are
we
you looking
have
for?
is ano yung medium size na caviar, na boy bag, Chevron, pero super mura. Baka yung na consider.
We have...
Ay, yung white, ay yung black.
Ay, yung
daw.
black naman.
So,
Ay, pero I this one? I that
parang
one.
sa yung kuha ko mismo.
For men, we have this, or like, women's also. For your laptop, or your for... What's this for? Like, anything. Like, your...
Clutch.
Hi! May baby kami dito. Very cute baby. Any other Goyard? Oh, yeah, naghahanap sila ng Goyard.
In fairness, madaming viewers yata ngayon.
This one, oh, how cute.
Yeah, Belva.
Bandung.
Bandung.
Van Dome bag.
That's
Ganda
brand
siya.
new.
Ah, with the wood pa.
Mhm.
This is brand new?
Yeah,
Their
that's brand
newest
new.
style, no? Ganda, oh. There's the details here. It's very light.
May strap yan.
Let's see.
Parang siya, ano, paano ba ito?
There's no
Ano
strap.
ba?
Walang strap.
Anak ko na.
Ito lang siya.
Baka nandun saan?
Baka nasa ano. Pero may strap siya. Wala
But
siya.
it's, it's with strap.
Yeah.
You're looking for the strap. Pero maganda siya. I love the color. Meron pa, may wallet pa here. Ay, di! Clutch to, no?
Oo.
Ganda
Clutch.
nito.
Yung clutch.
This is very...
Meron na.
What's your mode of payment?
Mode
If
of-
buyer from US daw.
From US?
Yeah.
Aya, BDO, BPI, and PayPal, ma'am. That's what we use for payments.
So yun naman.
Masaya naman. Is this your first time?
Yeah.
First time? Wow.
What's your... okay. Hi, Marie Joyce. Thanks for joining. Wait. Hi, Miss Anna Sophia. How much po white Chanel Le Boy?
White Chanel. But yeah, that's that one. Ay, super mura to. Kay Miss Aika. Naku, super steal deal yan. And this one is a limited edition kasi look, oh, meron siyang handle.
It's hard.
Yeah.
This one.
Usually kasi wala siyang handle, diba? Yung the regular ones. Wala siyang handle.
Yeah. And iba yung ano na hero.
Yeah, it's wood.
Design.
Ayan. That's lambskin, guys. And it comes with, I think it comes with cord and dust bag. This one is in rank A condition.
I'd put, ano, strap also.
Strap, yes. Bagay sa outfit mo.
Baka maano yung denim ko. Layo natin sa pants. Baka magano.
Ayan, there. Sis, no rubs, no? This is in rank A condition with dust bag and cord. Price is 265. It's medium size. Yes?
It's 220.
Okay, 265.
Diba?
Yeah. 265,000 pesos. Lambskin in, eto. Limited edition yan, Miss Aika. Ayan. No rubs, okay?
Very nice.
Very nice. And, ang going
Mukha pa talaga
price,
siyang ano, no?
parang bago pa, no?
Yeah. Amazing.
And it's in gold hardware. Ayan. Price is again 265,000 65,000 pesos. You have, ano yan, a Dior East-West bag? Bag?
Yeah,
No,
East-West.
CC. Wala po. We don't have it. Yeah.
Okay, Dior, no?
Yeah, medyo, ano
Hindi
na.
kasi yung, hindi sa amin hinahanap.
Ayan, kay Miss Aika, just comment mine, price, and your location. It's again, 65 ba? Sinabi ko, nakalimutan. Ang bilis.
265.
265,000 pesos. Umalis na si Beshi. Anyway,
We have a pink one. Ang
Ang
cute.
cute. Another mini square. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa mga mini bags. If you notice, ang daming mini bags dyan.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, very cute. Here. 265 PHP.
Yes, that's correct po. 265 pesos. Yan.
Ang cute ng pink and yellow together.
Yeah.
Summer,
Ayan.
Diba?
Summer. Yeah. Parang bagay sa outfit mo. Parang sinadya mo mag-outfit ng black.
Para safe.
Para safe.
Para
Yeah.
safe tayo. People will see. I love your
May
top.
sakit
From
lang.
where? Ay, hindi to binibenta.
Kanina pa yan.
Hindi yung top
Next
ko
na yung
daw.
jeans. Later, next na yung jeans.
Yung jeans, di rin siya. Sweetie 5 Okay. Z-Bang, Z-Moves. Hello, guys!
The color pops po.
Yes.
Yes.
We have yellow.
And pink. Very summer.
Yeah. Very kikay.
Very kikay, no?
Very
Ano ka
kikay.
ba? Color? No. Parang you're not into ano.
I'm boring talaga. Very boring. I'm very boring. Okay. Hi, princess! What's this? Jelly.
Villegas. Yes.
Yan. Meron silang yellow and pink.
Yes. And here, yung request. And yung boy bag. Ayan. This one is super good deal.
Yeah.
And rare. Ang ganda nito, oh. Chevron in caviar. Leather in ruthenium hardware. Ganda side po. Sure, no problem. Ito, this is super, super pamigay price. Ayan. Chanel, wallet and chain, lambskin, in gold hardware. Hello po, Miss Sophia. Ako ba ginrate mo?
Hi, princess! Yes! Meron pa tayong passport holder. It's so cute. Look at that.
Ang nabenta
Yeah.
niya, di ba na?
Hello, guys. Come on. Ang cute nito. You can bring it anywhere, everywhere. How much is the boy bag?
This one. Here.
Ay,
Yeah.
ang ganda naman nito.
Ayun, feeling ko ano yan. Parang, that's you.
Ang ganda nito, guys. Hello. Wake up. What are you guys waiting for?
Ito super rare yan. Yung color na ganito.
It's so
And
rare.
ano siya, chevron. This one is in medium size. No? Dark beige. Do you
Tapos
have
lagyan natin yung
Azure?
passport dito.
Kasha naman.
Wait, hold on.
Azure. How much is the black walk? Okay, Miss
Yeah.
Simply.
Do you have Azure? Stop.
Rosette. We don't have, ma'am, but what we have is a monogram. Ayan. Pero it's, yan, rosette.
Ganda to.
Diba?
Very nice to.
And in ano pa? Chevron.
Chevron, caviar.
Caviar.
Ruthenium.
And extra special kasi ruthenium hardware. Grabe to. Sobrang, and mura yan. Mura. Still deal. Price is 288 guys. Ang mura nito. This is 288,000 pesos.
Old medium.
Old medium size.
Wow.
Yeah. In ruthenium hardware. Ang ganda ng combination.
Maganda
No?
yung color niya. And parang it's easy to maintain. Can I also see the LV again? Ano yung LV?
Ito yung siguro.
This one. This one.
Yeah. Ayan. 288. Naku, i-mine nyo to, guys.
Meron nyo na siya. Even this
Ito,
one is so nice.
actually, hindi ko masyadong pinupush to kasi ano. ang
Gusto
hirap-
mo?
Yeah. Ayan na. Pag may nag-inquire, hindi ko masyadong
Hindi mo
pinupush
siya
pag-
ma-let go. I-let go mo na.
Yes.
I-push mo na. Kasi remember, bibili tayong camera.
Yeah. Later. Kailangan makabeta today.
I-let go mo na.
Can you extend the straps for the LV?
Ayan, ayan.
I'll extend it for you.
Yeah. But you have to, mine it. Kailangan mo i-mine.
Dito na lang siya.
Ganyan lang siya.
That's the maximum,
Yeah.
Talaga,
legs.
kilikili ba?
Kili-kili bag.
Yeah. Bagay mo rin yung ganyan,
siya?
very,
Sila, di ba yung Kardashian na ganyan din ang bag?
It's easy lang to carry.
That's in rank SA, guys. Rank SA condition. With that bag. Very maputi pa, oh. Look.
Yung parang
No.
siya talagang hindi nagamit ko.
Yeah, maputi pa
Na-display
yung
lang yun,
strap.
hindi man nagamit.
Ay, really?
Super
Na-display lang sa
price. Ay, sis price is to 90,000 na lang. Ano ka na discount? From 95 down to 90,000 pesos.
90K na lang, guys.
90,000 pesos, guys. Just comment mine, price, and your location. Ang ganda ng condition.
Ganda nga siya.
And good size.
Anong year to?
Here, we have
Parang
to check
siyang kalalabas lang.
Yeah, parang hindi
Because-
masyado nagamit.
Marami
Eto.
dito yan sikat ang Japan sa pre-love.
Yeah.
Kasi sobrang gaganda lang ang condition.
Yung date code
With the
niya.
dust bag pa siya.
Yeah, date code. Medyo mahirap hanapin yung date code kasi yung material niya, no?
Tabi na sa loob.
Yeah,
Looks very brand new.
it is.
Very
Yeah,
brand
super. Look, 90,000 pesos, guys.
How much po yan? 90K!
90K.
90.
From 95, no? Down to 90K. 5,000 discount. Oh my gosh. Ang laki niya na.
Sa LV LV bag.
Ang laki yan, for a LV,
Tsaka
bag.
it's vintage.
Yeah. And look at the condition, guys. Oh, ang puti. No watermarks.
Hmm.
Super, super clean.
Parang
Maputi.
hindi yung pwede magbenta ng bag. Sobrang ko sa bag.
Parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. Ayan.
Here, let's
90,000 pesos, guys. Ayan. 90,000 pesos.
Hi, Mrs. T. Bear and Yvonne. Hi guys, thank you for joining. Luis Aquintos. Hello, Kevin Henry. Hi guys.
Yeah.
What can we...
I think this one, may nagre-request kanina. Ayan, i-ano natin. Let's explain, no, the condition. This one is in rank A din.
Green na lang. Yung supposed to.
Rank A condition. Ayan, it comes with card. Series 24. Series 24, malinis ang corners and everything. Ayan, in gold hardware. Price for this 210,000 pesos. 210,000 pesos. Ayan.
Yung time dito kami na-heat stroke. Lalakad biglang babagsak.
Kahit mga bagets, no?
Estudyante, ganyan lalakad bigla silang babagsak. Grabe
Summer.
grabe.
200. How about wallet on chain? Nag-ano ka? Or you don't use? You prefer big bags? Ayan.
Very
200.
girly talaga hindi ako sanay. Nakita ko na ganito mag-wear. But like, it's very nice. It's still Chanel.
Yeah.
Project. What's your name? Project Cindy. Hi.
Ayaw niya yung cream cheese. Nasa yun na siguro.
210,000.
Dito, hinahanap ko niya.
Hello.
210,000. Anyone?
I-ano ko kaya siya? I-request ko kaya siya sa ano?
Like-
Dumami.
Parang dalawa?
Yeah.
Sige.
Hindi, ganyan lang talaga viewers namin. Minsan 10, 15.
Hindi, for ano?
Ay, para sa
Para sa
Yeah.
Oo.
I'll request siguro. Paano nga yun? Paano nga yun? Paano yung request?
Request
Here.
to...
Okay, send request.
Ayan na. Ayun. Babe, come here. Para dalawa tayo.
There! I sent that together.
Paano i-accept yan? Para wala. Here. View. Hold on. Shocks. Ayaw.
Wait lang
Nag-send siya ng request.
Should I send it again?
Yes, please. Kasi
I
may mga
requested
sumas.
Ayan.
Here. Add.
Ikaw, paano ba?
Ayan! Okay.
Ayan.
may isang top, may isang down. Yan! Ay, how do you do that?
Or, siguro tanggalin natin
Okay
ito
na.
sa atin din. Sa kanya na lang yun dito.
I muted mine. Okay lang.
Hindi, ano ko na lang dito.
So, parang dapat dito. Parang better. Sabi niya dati viewers.
No, we're sharing naman the viewers. So it's okay.
Oo nga, yan.
It's okay, we're
1,000.
sharing.
Ito kaya ako para
Hi, guys! See, ayan ang dami nagtatanong. Pabili po. Hi. Hi, gorgeous. Pwede dito.
Pwede?
Yeah.
Ah, hindi ba nag-ano yung...
No, kasi naka-mute siya.
Okay.
Watching from Canada. Ang gulo daw. Mine. Okay, here. I have the Chanel Lip Boy. Color na to.
Naka-mute siya.
Yeah, but they can hear it there. Para hindi nag-overlap.
I see. Ayan. Marami tayong viewers.
Yeah, we have how many?
How many viewers?
188. Love from Cebu.
Ayan. 900,000.
Maayong afternoon. Maayong buntag rin natin to.
Maayong buntag sa inyong kanan.
That's morning eh. Ano nga yung mga good afternoon? I forgot. Watching from Planet. How much? How much? This is?
That's 285. Ay, sorry. 288. Sorry. Malulugi tayo.
288, guys.
288,000.
Ganda naman ng tindera na yan. Thank you. 285.
288.
288? Ano ba? Ang hirap naman magbenta dito. Malulugi. Hi from San Francisco. Okay, guys. Maayong udto. Ayan. Hapon po. Yan. Such a feeling. Thank you. Thank you. Heart hug. Hi, Joshua. Si Joshua. Hi, Miss Sophia. Thank you. Hi from Duma. Watching from New Zealand. 288. Yes, for this one because
This is caviar leather. In caviar leather. Old medium size.
hindi ito binibenta po. Yung top
Kanina
po.
pa yan.
Shout out. Hi. How to order po, ma'am? How to order po?
How to order? Just take a screenshot and then send us a message.
Bigyan mo yung account.
And yeah, follow us.
Mine, 288 daw. Ina.
Ay, wow.
Ina 0124. But for sure, they're gonna message me.
Yeah, please message us. Dito sa Japan Locks direct page. Yeah, and take a screenshot of the item. Take a screenshot of the item. Wow. Our first sale of the day. Thank you so much, Miss Ivy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss Ivy, take a
How much
screenshot.
Black Chanel you're wearing?
This one, the black Chanel. This is wallet and chain, no?
Yeah.
This is 210,000 pesos. In rank, or sige, ibaba natin to the max. To the max. 195,000 pesos. It comes with card in rank A condition, series 24. Series 24. Oo nga, no? Pwede pala dito. Series 24 in rank A condition.
Card holders. Do you have card holders?
Card holder.
For sale ba to or hindi? How much?
Wala ba yung prices?
Puro ba na to eh?
Ayan, we have this Chanel card holder, complete inclusions. Okay, and used condition.
Lueve, no Lueve.
Nueve yan, no. Caviar leather in gold hardware with card, dust bag, and backs. Rank, sorry, it's unused, okay? Ayan.
Where's
Price is 36,000 pesos. 36
Pesos. It's pesos, right?
It's pesos, yes. 30,000 pesos. 36,000 pesos, sorry.
Yeah.
36 unused and complete in gold hardware. Just comment mine, price, and your location. Take a screenshot, guys, and then send us a message.
They're asking if may box daw.
Yeah, it comes with
Oh, there,
box,
perfect.
dust bag, and yung card niya. So, complete siya. Complete. Meron siyang dalawang card slots here and another one dito sa harap and here at the back. I mean, in the middle.
We have a tote bag.
Yeah, take a screenshot. Message us here, guys. Japan Locks direct account.
Tote bag.
Tote bag.
Pwede na to. Pwede to.
Yes.
It's not tote, but pwede to. This is cute!
Oh my gosh.
How much siya, tita? Ulit?
This one. This is brand new.
Yes.
How much per
Brand new. Okay. 198 each.
198 each. Mine
Both
bag,
brand.
color brown. Parang, mine po sa naka-black na blouse.
Medyo nagkakaroon.
No. Ito, this 198. That's my favorite brand. Bottega, yes. Bottega Veneta.
There.
Ipabala kami sa kanya.
Yeah.
Yan.
Sige po.
What else, guys? Request lang. And we have a lot of bags here. Just
Once done with the screenshot, where are we going to send it? On Instagram.
yeah. Our account, Japan Locks Direct.
Yeah.
Japan Locks Direct. Sige, i-ano ko yan.
Mine for gray. You can take a screenshot and then
Oo nga eh.
the Hermes sandals we have also. Wow, kala mo, ako may-ari. We have here, it's brown and black. This is very cute. Do you have that in the color of the Hermes sandal? This one. Yes, you can go physically here in this
Genza.
in Ginza.
Ginza.
Do you have any other colors of Bottega? We only have two for today. Mine for gray. How much is that? This is
198.
198,000. For this, dito.
Yeah.
Maybe wait lang.
Shoes? Ito? This one? That's 60,000.
It's 60K.
Brand new. And
Brand
complete inclusions.
How much is that brown with black? 60,000, guys. What size?
Size, that's 37.5. Let me check.
Size for the ornaments. That's
Size 37.
size 37. 60,000.
Brand new with box and yung shoe bags. That's brand new.
Huh?
Baka gusto mo mag-Japan madalas.
Madaming benta. Ayan. Just take a screenshot, guys, and send us a message here. Here. Japan Locks direct account. If you wanna buy the bags or your shoes, whatever.
Good day, ma'am. Walang size 9 for that, no?
No, only have one.
7, ma'am.
Yeah, one
Only
pair.
7. Mine for black. What black?
Yeah, my price and your location.
Yeah,
Price
comment
here.
mine, price, and your
Do
location.
you have size Euro 40? The
40? We don't have. Yeah, just the size 37.
Do you have Goyard? Yes, we do.
Baka ito yung black na sinasabi niya. The one 185. 195.
This is the Goyard. This is brand new. Very nice.
What else? Hermes. Ano gusto nila Hermes?
Okay, bigyan mo yung pinakamura natin yung Dorothy.
Birkin. The cheapest Birkin.
How much is the Goyard? The one that I got. How much is it again?
That's 255.
255 is brand new.
Let's go to Dorothy.
Ayan, we have, this is the cheapest Birkin that we have. Baka gusto lang nila.
What color is that? Parang
This is Tosca.
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 Tosca color.
Tosca color in
Palladium.
Palladium hardware. Sogo leather. Stamp G 2003. Year 2003. Comes with lock set. Good condition naman. Corners palinis. Ayan. It's clean. This one is the cheapest talaga for a Birkin bag na size 35. The price is 485,000 pesos. Yan. 485. C22. Kay Gab. We don't have.
Wait, ito wala.
Your bag. Parang lahat ng suot.
Pag siya, no?
From bag to jewelry. Okay, Gab, we don't have po. C22, wala.
Yung next time,
GPT,
isa natin-
yeah, GPT. We have a GPT.
Next time, going on bibisa yun, puro yung pambenta.
Para lahat na.
Para
Okay.
lahat, yeah.
GPT-30. Ano siya mo?
Yeah, this is GPT. Ayan, here. Ang ganda ng color. This is rouge color. Diba? This is garden party. O yan, wine red siya. Stamp.
That's
Spare R. Yeah, this is a size 30. And rank A condition.
It's nice.
Comes with dust bag. And yung there, nababasahin, sabi ni Miss Ma. Rank A condition, corners niya is clean, as you can see. Okay. Price is 170,000 pesos. This is so nice. 170,000. Ang ganda ng color. Okay, Mickey, just comment mine, price, and your location. This is, again, 170,000 pesos. This is the size 30. Ayan. Size 30. It's size 30. Very clean siya inside.
Excuse me, guys.
Size 30. Mine sa naka-black. Ayan. Size 30. Mickey. Again, this one is 170,000 pesos. Yeah. Rank A condition with dust bag. Do you have LV? LV. Yes, meron naman. May LV here. This is the monogram, no corset. There. 170,000 pesos. This is the PM size. Ah, yeah. Sorry. This is size 36 pala. Sorry. This is size 36. This is PM size, no? 30 pala is the PM, the TPM. This is 36. Ayan. Yung ito, layaway CC, open for layaway. Just message me, guys, dito sa Japan Locks direct account if you want to get it. Okay, open for layaway. Just take a screenshot and then message me. Yeah. Ano kaya? Or ayan, next we have this, another garden party in PM size, okay? Rank A condition din, sis. It comes with no inclusions for this. Price is 175. This is 175. Ayan.
How much is the LV again?
90,000.
90K.
Website, wala pa for now. Yeah, soon, magkakaroon tayo ng website. Ayan. What else? More pa? Or yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay. I think that's it, guys.
Thank you
Ayan,
for
thank you so much.
joining.
Yeah, thank you for joining, for watching, guys.
Hi, ate. My sister's watching. Lara, 98K. Baka naman, i-mine na natin to. Parang tinatawag niya yung pangalan mo. Ito na, oh. Tinatawag niya yung name mo.
90,000 na lang. Down to
90K
90. Yeah.
from 95. Yeah. Hi! Si Budol. Anong budol? Hindi siya budol. Alam ko, bibilin mo talaga. Hi, thank you guys for watching. It's impromptu, but thank you guys for watching. How much the white? Last. White sa taas.
White one sa taas. White one. Which one? Manila, the Lindy? Hey,
Chris?
Chris. Yeah. Which one? Ano white? Kaya. Baka yung Chanel? But that's lilac.
Or mukha siyang white from
Yeah,
outside.
mukha siyang white sa camera. But that's actually lilac. This one? This one is lilac.
Hi! Okay. We gotta
Ayan.
go. Thank you,
Yes,
guys.
thank you so much.
Till
Thank
next
you.
time.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We're from Japan.
Yeah, just follow us here on Instagram. Ayan.
Sa kabila.
May tag one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.